In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a cover photo on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. First things first, you need to open Pinterest. If you're using a web browser, head over to the Pinterest website, and if you're on your device, just tap on the app. Now, since we want to set a cover photo specifically for a business account, make sure to sign in to your business account. If you don't have one, you might want to create one, as it's essential for accessing certain features, including customizing your profile with a cover photo. Okay, now that you're signed in, the next step is to find your profile. Look at the top right corner of your Pinterest page, and you'll see a little icon that represents your profile picture. Click on that. This will take you directly to your profile, where all the magic happens. Once you're on your profile page, you'll want to locate the Edit or Profile Cover icon, which is also situated in the top right corner. This might look like a small pencil or an edit button, depending on updates or changes in Pinterest design. Click on that icon to start the editing process. Now, a new pop-up window should appear, giving you options to change your cover photo. You want to click on the option that says Browse. This will allow you to navigate through your computer or device to find the image you want to use as your cover photo. Remember that this image should reflect your brand or personal aesthetic, something that resonates with your audience. Once you've found your image, select it. Take a moment to look at the image you've chosen. Is it high quality? Does it represent what you want to convey on your Pinterest profile? I recommend using images that are at least 800 pixels wide, as these will look great across different devices. After selecting your image, the next step is to adjust its position or crop it to ensure it fits the space perfectly. Pinterest gives you flexibility here, so take a moment to play around with the positioning. You can drag the image to align it just the way you want. If it needs to be cropped a little, you can do that too. Be sure to check that the focus of your image remains in the center and that nothing crucial gets cut off. Once you're happy with how your cover photo looks, look for the option that says Done. Click on that, and just like that, your Pinterest profile cover has been updated. You should now see your cover photo proudly displayed at the top of your profile. Take a moment to enjoy your work. Your cover photo is now a reflection of your brand, and it's going to help draw visitors into your profile. Don't forget that this image plays a crucial role in enticing users to explore your boards and pins further. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a cover photo to your Pinterest business account. It's a straightforward process, but one that can really elevate your profile and make it more visually appealing. If you have any questions or need clarification on any of these steps, feel free to drop a comment below. Also, if you learned something new today, I'd appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and happy